Power Automate Microsoft Automation Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think automation is only for programmers, but you won't believe what happens next when your daily work starts running itself. Power Automate is Microsoft's workflow automation platform that connects apps, files, emails, forms, and cloud services. It allows you to create automated workflows called flows that move data, send alerts, and trigger actions without manual work. The surprising truth is that Power Automate can save hours every week. For example, you can automatically save email attachments to cloud storage, send approval requests when a form is submitted, or receive alerts when a file is updated. Most people get this wrong. They assume automation is complicated. In reality, Power Automate uses simple templates and visual steps that beginners can learn in minutes. Power Automate integrates deeply with Microsoft tools like Outlook, Excel, SharePoint, and Teams. This makes it extremely powerful for offices and remote teams. There is a free version with limited flows, and paid plans unlock premium connectors and advanced features. Power Automate is best for businesses and individuals who want to eliminate repetitive tasks. The surprising truth is that your time is more valuable than you think. Subscribe for more honest productivity tool reviews that help you work smarter.